In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add link in Google Calendar 2026, step by step. We're going to add a clickable link to an existing event so anyone who opens it can jump straight to a website, a meeting room, a document, or any resource you choose. This walkthrough is done on a desktop browser, which gives you the full editing toolbar you'll need. Start by opening Google Calendar and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. You can use day, week, or month view, whichever makes it easiest to spot the event you want to update. Take a moment to scan your schedule and locate the specific event where the link should live. If your calendar is busy, zoom in with day or week view so the event is easier to click. Once you've found the event, select it. A small event card will pop up with the basic details. At the top of this card, click the pencil icon to open the full editor. This takes you to the detailed event page, where you can change everything from the title and time to guests and notes. Scroll to the description area. This is the rich text field where you can add notes, formatting, and hyperlinks. That's exactly where we'll place the link so it's visible and easy to access for anyone invited. Now go to the website that contains the link you want to add. If it's a page in your browser, highlight and copy the full address from the address bar. If it's a button or a specific element on a page, right-click and choose the option to copy the link address. Make sure the link starts with HTTP or HTTPS so it works properly in the calendar. Head back to your Google Calendar event. In the description toolbar, find the Insert Link icon. It looks like a small chain link. Click it to open the link dialog. In the URL field, paste the link you just copied. In the text field, you can type a clear label for the link, like join the call, open agenda, or view resources. Using a short descriptive label helps attendees understand exactly what they're clicking. Give everything a quick look to confirm the URL is correct and the text says what you want. Click OK. You'll see the link appear in the description as a clean, clickable item. You can add multiple links if needed by repeating the same process, or simply paste full URLs directly into the description if you prefer them visible as raw addresses. That's it. Your event now includes a clear, clickable link right where attendees expect to find it, making your meetings and reminders more useful and easier to act on.